Okay, I realized that I haven't done a quick, really as received video here. A set of headlights came with it that I think might be original to it. Also a set of marker lights that might be original to it. The hood is not mounted on the hinges, but it slides right in there. I don't think that it's ever been hit on the front. There is a skim coat of Bondo, so there's probably a dent right there, but it's not a big dent. Up here we got a dent. I think that's more barn storage than anything hitting it on the front in the road. We've got door damage here and rust up in the cowl. You can see here we may be thin in spots on the fender. I don't know. You can tell there were wing mirrors installed at one point. This sunroof car, so I'm excited about that. That's actually a passenger seat just sitting on the driver's side. You can see the steering wheel is going to need attention. The dash, though, seems, I don't know. Don't know enough about this dash. You can see the original color there. This was ruby red. 1957 was the first year for ruby red. It will probably go back into ruby red, even though wouldn't be my first choice. Just the fact that that's what it came from the factory in means I'll probably redo it. T1 type doors. We've got this early, I don't think there's anything to be read on that, but a master maintenance sticker. Top part of our rockers aren't bad. Bottom part is bad. There's a lot of bad rust down on the bottom. In fact, the floor is entirely gone on the passenger side. And then the thing that scares me the most is the condition of these inner wheel wells. That's going to be the hardest thing for me to, I think, graft in those new pieces. It's the thing I'm most worried about anyway. There was an engine in it, but it was put in to sell it. And it turns free, and it seems to be complete, but it's unknown. It's real condition. This is a June of 57 car, so we have gone away from the two beehives to the longer tail light. We have been hit here on the back, and then the inside is rough too, but I don't know if it's from a hit or from just careless removal of engine, because it doesn't, I don't know, I have to take a little more time with it, because this doesn't seem to be a bad enough hit to have gotten through. It looks like it went over the bumper, and then maybe they've pulled it out some and it did get in there. But all in all, I don't know, to get behind the stuff to see, well, we can see down in here too. Yeah, see, this has obviously been messed with, but not, I don't know, that might be a kink there that's not supposed to be there. Looking at the other side, that might have to be pulled out. Anyway, I haven't looked real hard at the body, other than the general, condition of rust here. We've got the same bottom of the doors and up through here, top of the cowl. Here again, we've got these holes from a mirror, I suspect. This is missing the latch over here, so. But sunroof car, yes, there's a lot of work here, but I'm excited. Okay,